In seventh grade, my parents decided to sign me up for SEAL recovery camp, where, as far as I knew, we would simply learn about SEALs and witness the process of nursing injured SEALs back to health. The camp was roughly a month long, and at the beginning, me and around 12 other kids arrived and began playing fun games to get to know each other. However, things quickly progressed, and by the next week, we were witnessing the meal prep, feeding, and caring of SEALs. At the camp, there are a variety of seals and sea lions that had injured off the coast of California. These species range from the California sea lion to elephant seals. We were each assigned a seal or sea lion to take care of. After learning the differences between the two, which are basically differences in flipper size and the presence of visible ear flaps in sea lions and the absence of visible ear flaps in seals, we began to practice the process of preparing food for our seal. My seal was an elephant seal named Lobster, and the reason he was at the camp was because one of its back flippers was bitten off by a shark and it was unable to catch prey. It was cool seeing this 3,500-pound Goliath, and to top it all off, even though my seal was not quite ready to go at the end of the summer, some of my peer seals were, and they were ready to be released, and we got to witness them scamper off into the water one cold morning near the end of summer. I was impressed by these giant creatures so much that I made a notebook in which I wrote down facts about them, which I'll be using in this presentation. To start it off, it is important to understand just how big these things really are. Female elephant seals weigh in anywhere from 900 to 1,800 pounds and are a staggering 9 to 12 feet long. Even bigger are the male elephant seals, which weigh in anywhere from 3,000 to 5,000 pounds and can grow up to 14 or 16 feet. The elephant seal has a common name of Moronga, or Marunga, something like that, and belongs to the phylum Chordata. In the water, these beasts evolved to overcome the challenge of the lack of light deep at sea, and now heavily rely upon their large eyes to capture the little light available in deeper water. However, upon land, their sense of smell and hearing takes over, as mothers are able to sniff out their pups from far away, and males intimidate each other with growls and roars. They have evolved to develop this sense of hearing in order to better fight for alpha in their pack. The elephant seal has short, dense hair or fur, but is mainly protected from the environment and temperature by its thick skin. There are two types of elephant seals, northern and southern. The northern elephant seal typically inhabits the Pacific Ocean as far north as Alaska and as far south as Mexico. The southern typically inhabit the Antarctic. Both species like to spend time on land and hunt for prey deep in the water. They are known to dive to depths of 2,000 feet in their search for prey and can remain underwater for up to 2 hours at a time. This is one of the first challenges this species has to face. In order to obtain the fish and squid that it loves to eat so much, it must dive deep. However, it can only remain underwater for a short amount of time. So, this creature has to be an effective hunter and quickly find the squids and return up to the surface. Elephant seals are known to reproduce on islands where they and their pups are safe from most predators. However, due to global warming, some of these islands are shrinking rapidly, and these seals will have to adapt and find a new place to reproduce once the few islands they have left are completely diminished. Impregnation normally occurs from December to March, and babies are typically born from December to January after an 11-month gestation period. The dominant males in a group seize control and impregnate their group of females, making it so that most babies have the same father. This is another challenge less dominant males in the group face. They are unable to pass on their genes and miss one of the key goals in life. However, with their weak submissive genes removed from their pool, the species as a whole and the next generation is made stronger as a result. This is how elephant seals came to evolve the ability to bark at other males in order to establish dominance during breeding season, as only 3 to 4 males in a pack of 20 get to breed. Elephant seal babies have also evolved to grow quickly in order to survive predators that may want to kill them. In the first month of their life, they quadruple in weight from 75 to 300 pounds, and from there it only goes upwards. You truly know you're dealing with an amazing species when a 1-month-old baby weighs significantly more than a full-grown human.